Lots of people want to learn English, but they do not have any idea how to start, how to begin. So what they do is they directly go to YouTube. They search lots of videos regarding to English. There they find lots of teacher and they try to learn English with the help of those videos. They try to make notes and sometimes they download lots of apps and they try to learn English with the help of those apps. But they follow these things for a certain period of time, and after that they feel directionless, they feel unmotivated, and they quit learning English. So if the same thing has happened with you in the past, then do you know why it happens? It happens because we do not have a structured learning plan. We need a structured learning plan for learning any type of language. So in this video I will tell you a structured learning plan for learning English. But before that, if you are new here, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, because it really motivates me to make such informative videos for you. So hi everyone, thank you so much for visiting back to our channel. This is Amita and it is my 17th day of 75 hard days English challenge. In my last videos I have talked about 12 problems related to English, and in last 4 videos I have talked about some apps with the help of which you can learn English. So friends, I'm not saying that these things are not helpful. Apps are helpful. The videos which you watch on YouTube, they are also helpful. But they are only helpful if you have a structured learning plan. Lots of people want to learn English, but they do not have any idea how to start, how to begin. So what they do is they directly go to YouTube and search lots of video regarding to English. So friends, now let's talk about this topic. So friends, for learning English, first of all we need to set a clear goal. Ask yourself that why are you learning English? Why do you want to learn English? The reason can be different for everyone. Like if you want to improve in your academics, or you want to grow in your career, or you are learning English for traveling purpose, or you want to make lots of friends. The reason can be different for everyone. Just set this clear goal, because when we set a clear goal, it provides us a roadmap. By setting a clear goal, we feel motivated for learning English. So this is the problem, we never set a goal. We do not know why we are learning. Just ask yourself and then you will automatically feel motivated to learn English for further progress. So friends, the second thing is break down learning objectives into small manageable tasks. As we all know, there are 4 aspects of learning English: reading, writing, listening and speaking. And all of these 4 things are very important to learn any type of language, and we need to work on all of these 4 things every day. Friends, now let's talk about reading. For reading, I will suggest you to read books and read 10 pages every day. So do not directly try to read a hard book, because it will be very difficult for you to understand. Try to choose book according to your English level. Okay, so read 10 pages every day, and when you are reading a book, that time just speak it loud. Do not just speak in your mind or inside your mouth. Try to speak it loud, because when you speak like this, that time your pronunciation improves, and second thing, you get confidence for speaking English. So friends, when we read any book, that time we find lots of new words, phrases and idioms, and we get to know how to use them in sentence. So read 10 pages every day, and when you read, that time just underline those new words, idiom and phrase. Now let's talk about the second step. The second step is writing. Friends, whenever you read a book, that time the words that you find, just write down 5 words every day, or either you can write the words or idiom or phrases. Okay, so write 5 things every day in your notebook, and after that just search the meaning on Google or in ChatGPT or in dictionary, and try to make at least 4 to 5 sentences on each and every word. It will improve your writing skills, friends. Most of the people ignore the writing step. They should not ignore this. It is very important for learning English. So just write it down and try to make sentence, and try to use all those sentences in your day-to-day life. So friends, for listening, you can either watch podcasts, speech or movies or TV shows. You can watch all of these things. When we listen, listening is very important, because when we listen, we tend to remember all of those things for a very long time. So when we listen, our listening skills improve, and that time we get to know that how to pronounce certain words. When we try to listen native English speakers, that time we learn how they are pronouncing words. So our pronunciation improves when we listen. So listen a speech or any type of English video for 10 to 15 minutes every day. So friends, now let's talk about the fourth step, that is speaking. Speaking is very important. We should not neglect this point. I have already mentioned in my previous video that for speaking, either you can speak with your friends or with your family members, or you can speak in front of mirror. So that time you can just share your daily routine or your activities, whatever you do in your entire day, or your past activities, or you can share recipe of anything, or whatever you learn from any video or any book. Just try to speak all of those things in English with others. And if you do not have anyone to talk with, that time I have already suggested some apps. You can use those apps for speaking. As you will speak, the more you speak, the more you will become fluent in English. So try to speak every day for 10 to 15 minutes. So friends, that's it for today. Follow all these 4 things every day for improving. Then you will not feel demotivated. As you will see you are improving, then you will automatically get motivated. You will see that there are changes in yourself which will motivate you, and you will further progress. So follow all these 4 steps like this. In the starting, try to follow all these steps for 1 hour, and after some time when you will start taking interest in it, then you can slowly increase your hours. Okay, so follow all of these 4 things to improve your English. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our video, if you find this video useful, make sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your family members and with your friends. We will meet in next session. Till then, bye bye and keep learning.